Mastering sequence words, a key to describing your daily routine in English. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we're focusing on an incredibly important aspect of conversational English, talking about daily routines and habits. Specifically, we will delve into sequence words, which are invaluable tools when describing your day-to-day activities. By the end of this video, you will have a better grasp of these words and how to use them to improve your English conversational skills. Sequence words are words or phrases that help us organize our thoughts and speech, especially when we describe actions that happen in a certain order. They are vital in giving structure to our stories, making our narrative clear, cohesive, and understandable. Examples of sequence words include first, next, then, after that, later, finally, and many more. Think of these words as signposts guiding your listener through your story or your day. Now that you understand what sequence words are, let's learn how to incorporate them into your daily routine description. We'll go through an example day using these words. First, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Next, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then, I have breakfast. After that, I leave for work. Later, I go to the gym. Finally, I arrive home, have dinner, and go to bed. Do you see how the sequence words help navigate the timeline of the day? They clarify the order of activities and make the description smoother and more natural. To help you understand and use sequence words better, let's do a quick exercise. Try to describe your daily routine using sequence words. Start with when you wake up and end with when you go to bed. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to pause the video and take your time. If you're feeling comfortable with basic sequence words, let's learn some advanced ones to enrich your vocabulary. Prior to, subsequent to, in the meantime, simultaneously, subsequently, preceding, following. These words can add variety to your conversations and make your English sound more fluent. For instance, you could say, I read a book prior to sleeping, or, I made lunch subsequent to finishing my work. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the importance of sequence words when describing your daily routines and habits. Remember, sequence words are the stepping stones that help your listener navigate through your narrative. Keep practicing, and soon enough, these words will become a natural part of your English conversations. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next English language learning video.